Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll make a drawing of a 3D model. So we select a new one. We have to select the drawing. This is a normally 2D drawing sheet, and in the right corner down you can see the column title. All the informations will be there. Now we'll select the model and we'll show the different types of projection here. We also can show the isometric projection, but it is not necessary in this drawing. We also can show the drawing style in different ways. I think this is more preferable because we can see the inner curves here. Now I am giving some center lines. It is also very important part of it because when you are doing dimensioning, it is very necessary. Now I will start dimensioning after doing the center lines. At first I will show you the model items, how to do it. For this you have to select the tick mark and it will show you all the dimensions. You don't have to do anything for it, but the problem is they will be like mix up. You have to make them clear, and it will show also same the dimensions in different parts, so it is not so necessary. And you also can show the limits like upper limit and lower limit of the tolerances. I am just showing you how to do it, but it is not necessary for this drawing because in the question if there is tolerance given, then you can do, and it is not so necessary now. And you also can do one thing. You can show millimeters like this way, or you can select all of them and write down millimeter here, and it will show millimeters here, but it is not so necessary. Now I am deleting all of them and I will show another type of dimensioning. There are two types of dimensioning. One is smart dimensioning and one is dim expert. Now I will show you a smart dimensioning. You just have, it is very simple. You just have to simply select and drag, and it will show the dimensioning wherever you want. Now I will give the dimensions. You don't need to show a one dimension two times. So if you show here, you don't have to show there. Okay, I have to show all the dimensions here. Okay, this one is wrong. I have to show it vertically like this. I am trying to show all the dimensions necessary. There is another way to dimension. I will show you. It is dim expert. For this you have to select one point and then you can show the distances and the radius of anything very easily. It is also very easy. So in these three methods you can dimension things. There are also several style of dimension. You can select vertical ordinate dimension and also horizontal ordinate dimension. These are also important. I will show you how to do it. At first I show how to do sections. You can simply section it and flip it. Now I will show you to the cut first and select crop view. See, you can only show the necessary items. Now I will show you detail view. Select any surface and make a circle, and you can show the detail view of it. And you also can dimension it. If you cannot make dimensions there, you can make dimensions here. So I am showing this dimension here. Now I will show you the auxiliary view. See, if you select that surface, it will show like the camera is in there and you are seeing from that angle. It is not necessary here, but if you need, you can do it like in this way. Okay, now I will show you balloons and bill of materials. So there is only one part, it is not assembly, so just have to select the part. Okay, now go to tables and select bills of materials. Now select the part and select OK. It is done. You can keep the link here and write down like description of your part, like I am just writing any arbitrary lines. So now I will show you how to edit the column. So you have to select the edit sheet format. So like this is the drawing number, I am saying it is 1. I can give the title, like I have to double click here and I can write anything like what is like Istiak's model. Okay, now you can give the date as well. Just go there and double click and you can write down the dates there. Okay, I think we are done. So thank you very much for watching.